and now we're clear of paint, we've got to paint it. So this one I'm going to do blue. This one doesn't have much left in it, but we'll persevere. You are going to get it on your hand, and it does come off eventually. It's a bit like nail varnish. It comes off with a bit of nail varnish remover if you need to. So, got our bulb. It also smells like nail varnish, you know, that acetone pear drop smell. So we should get a little bit of coverage on the go. And although you can see brush strokes in it, it does settle down. It smooths out. So there's one done. And there's no clean way about it. The best way to do it is just grab the top and just park it in its little hole. And as you can see, multiple years of wiping my fingers off right there on the corner. Well, there's one. I'll do a comparison of what the original colour looks like using a Premier bulb tester. Now, doesn't show up much on camera, but this bulb is not blue anymore. It's actually green. The camera's not showing it up at all, but from my perspective, this has gone quite green. Right, this bulb has dried. As you can see, it dries quite smooth. Just show you a comparison of what it looks like. As you can see, that is a lot darker and more richer blue. Almost on the purple. So, one down. Another 20 to go, but yeah, that's pretty much how I refurbish my bulbs. I hope this is a help to other people who collect and repair and refurbish these to brighten up a set. I'll show you a before and after of a set that I've been working on. This is what they did look like. And this is what they now look like. And that's them done, all painted. Makes a hell of a difference. They look brand new. There's a thumbnail right there. So the next thing to do is to get them back in the lights.